Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a great personality is with us. He is Aris Prasapati from Nagpur. He is a resourceful speaker, respectful speaker, a responsible speaker, a regular speaker. Now, today, we're going to talk over the topic how to take a right decision in our life. Sir, please respond and react, sir, regarding the topic. So, welcome back to my
Yeah,
channel, sir.
thank you very much. Let me be honest before talking on this topic. I also don't have a perfect idea to how to take best decision in our life because there might be a different situation when it comes to you, when it comes to me, or when it comes to anybody else. But definitely, whatever I take decision in my life, more than 50% it be right. That's experience. It is a kind of personal experience I would share with you. We need to understand what is decision. Decision, it's nothing but it is a kind of practice. Let's say whenever I did a task in which I made any kind of mistake, if that task would come to me or is given to me, I wouldn't make a mistake which I did it earlier or which I made it earlier. Why? If I'm good enough matured, I have learned something from that particular mistake. So first thing that you can learn when it comes to taking a right decision, what you have learned from your past, keep in your mind. If you have learned something from your past, then I think you wouldn't be going to make a mistake and your decision can be right. Number two, when it comes to taking a right decision, keep in your mind, are you a person have done a proper research or not? Research in the sense is what? Let's say I found so many people when it comes to decision, they are motivated. They were motivated by people, they were motivated by influencer, motivational speaker, and they take directly decision. You should not do like this. You need to do proper research. You need to scrutinize yourself into that. Go in deep. Take advice of right person. This would I would be going to speak. Take advice of right person. That means what? Let's say if somebody would like to be a teacher and go to IS officer, good IS officer can give him a right suggestion. I guess he would talk better. He may have knowledge, he may have the sources, but I don't think so. If you want to be a teacher, then I personally believe that only teacher is a person who can give you right information, or he can show you, or she can show you, if you would be a female, right path of being teacher. This is so much easy. Let's say you get ill, you go to lawyer. Not at all. Find a right person when it comes to a decision. What happened in our country? More than 90% people are become a principal of the school. They do give advice to each and everybody else. They have done a PhD in advice. Don't take advice of each and everybody, otherwise you will be fall heavily and you will have to pay that. That's what I would say. And next thing which is relevant, and that is the second last thing that I would explain, which we can call that when it comes to decision, do you have experience or not? If you don't have experience, don't expect much. Just go for that, and next time once you have experience, try. Last one, I would suggest you when it comes to taking decision, this is really easy. Your decision may be wrong, may be right, but you would learn so many things from that decision. Don't make it a serious, because this life is in itself decision, isn't it? We would take thousand of decision, lakh of decision, crore of decision. Some of would go against you, some of would be in your favor. So it is a process. Enjoy your process. Definitely you will be given whatever you want by nature. Just don't be immature while taking decision. Don't be greedy, and don't be this much motivated where your motivation can hurt you. Why I have been saying you this thing? Because there is a one field in social media or in offline also. I am not blaming that. That's what called network marketing. People do invest money there and they get a loss, and then later on they scream. So it has nothing to do with your life. People would loot you. Why? Because you were greedy. It's not their mistake. I say it is your mistake. And lots of decision which be wrong because of your mistake. So don't blame on other. Be right person. Don't be greedy. Do hard work, and that's what you can get success or anything else in your life. Over to you, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Good words. Good words. And I want to add some few words. First of all, we have to define your our goal or your goal. So our goal should be smart. Smart means SMART. So here, smart is S for specific, M for measurable, and A for attainable, and R for relevant, T for
Oh.
time bound. So when you follow this smart formula, automatically that what we told as specific and measurable, attainable, and relevant and a time bond, automatically we can achieve. First of all, I have to define our goals in a specific manner and also gather the information. Second point, the third point is analysis is the analysis in a consequence manner and trust your institution. And fifth one is learn from your mistakes. And decision making is a process and it takes practice to set a better at it. Don't be afraid to seek guidance and support from your trusted family members and friends, and even sometimes seek professional help when needed. Ultimately, the key to making right decision in a life is to be thoughtful and true to yourself. Then only, and the decision will have a lot of effect and efficient, so that you can reach your targeted goal. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thanks
and
a lot.
for
Thanks
your
a lot.
sparing time and aware all the things. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thanks.